using me. Anybody up in here want to cast out some devils? Anybody up in here want to heal some sick people? Anybody up in here want to minister deliverance to the drug addict, the homosexual, those that's being tormented by demons and by devils and principalities? He gave them power to cast out devils. And then if you go to Luke 10:17, and it says, and the 70 returned again with joy, saying, I want you to see this, even the devils are subject unto us through your name. The devils are subject to us through your name. And he said unto them, I beheld Satan, look at this, as lightning fall from heaven. Behold, I give unto you what? Power. I want you to see this. This is what I'm talking about. I give you power to tread on serpents, scorpions, and over all the power of the enemy. Oh, I want y'all to hear me up in here. I don't glorify the devil, but you know the devil is powerful. Oh, he got some people seriously bound. But the Bible says he give us power over all his power. All his power. Addiction, all his power. Homosexuality, all his power. Drug addict, alcohol, all his power. Lust, all his power. I got power over. Look at